Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can make Flutter quotation app using Android Studio. So right here is the sample of quotation app. The only way to do great job is to love work what you do, written by Steve Jobs. Now I will click on next code to see the next code. You can see app is running smoothly. I will show you simplest way to build this app using Android Studio. You can also run this application on the internet. You can see I have opened the application. Click on next to see the next code. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Written by T. Roosevelt. So let's begin the tutorial. Click on file, click on new, and I will click on new Flutter project. So right here is the Flutter SDK path. You simply have to copy it. Go to Flutter, then copy this path, and then you have to paste it right here. After pasting it, click on next, and then I have to write project name right there. I will write quotation app. You can add project location. Project type is application. In Android language, I will select Java language and then click on create. So it will take some time to create Flutter project, and then terminate this window to open a new window. So it will take some time to open the new window. New Flutter project has opened. After this, I'm going to generate code from ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, then write code to create a Flutter app which fetches codes from a list, and then search it. So code for our quotation app has generated, and ChatGPT is also providing step-by-step guide how you can run the code. So the first step is set up new Flutter project. We have already created a new Flutter project, and next step is open the libmain.file and replace this content with the following code. We simply have to copy this code and we will replace the libmain.code with this code. Copy this code, then open the Android Studio. So right here you can see .tool file. Select all, then Ctrl V to paste the ChatGPT code. So right here is the code for quotation app. Again, let's go to ChatGPT. So next step is to save the file and run the app using following command: flutter run. Again, open the app, and first I will run it on virtual device. Open the virtual device. So I will select this virtual device, and then I will click on run. So our task is running in the background. Main.3 API 34 extension level is running. So it will show you a bar running gradle task. It will take some time. So our quotation app is ready. You can see that app is running smoothly. Simply click on next to see the next code. Next I will show you how you can run this app on Chrome web. Next you have to change the device. I will select this Chrome web device and then click on run. So it will show you that your task is running in the background. It will take some time, and again we will return to our project. Background task running is done. Right here you can see a Chrome logo. Click on it so you can see quotation app is running. Click on next to get other code. In 3 words I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. Written by Robert Frost. So in this way you can make Flutter apps using ChatGPT coding. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.